Welcome back to the Wicked Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wicked easy grilled chickpea salad sandwich. This sandwich is probably one of the easier, more indulgent sandwiches you can have. Totally plant-based, all plant power, filled with chickpeas. It's got tons of protein. I mean, who doesn't like grilled cheese sandwiches? And just that added boost of protein with the chickpeas is pretty amazing. So let's just jump right into it. So what I did was strain 2 cans of chickpeas. Very easy. This will take a total of like 15 minutes to make. I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil. Instead of using mayonnaise, I'm gonna use olive oil, so you might need to, it's up to you how much you wanna do. So I'm probably gonna use like 3 tablespoons, all right? So 1, 2, 3. The oil will help it stick together. You don't have to use oil. You can use water. You can use the juice from the can. It's up to you. If you want it healthier, it's your call. You're in control in the kitchen. So oil, mayonnaise, whatever you like. I'm using oil today. We're gonna add a little bit of black pepper. I'm just gonna start mashing that up. You just wanna get those nice and smashed, those chickpeas smashed really nice. And I think I'm gonna add a little bit more oil to it, maybe. We'll see when this finishes up. Okay, now just to the side, I'm gonna slice up some of this parsley. I'll save some for garnish. Easy way to do parsley, I just pull right off the tops, throw the stems away, fold it over. Quick chop, right into the bowl. I'm gonna add some red onion to this. So half a red onion, diced. I'm gonna use about a tablespoon of this. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish smashing it. I am gonna add a little bit more of the olive oil because there's no fat at all in the chickpeas. This is why I'm adding the oil. It helps bind it together, adds a little bit of flavor. We're gonna do these as grilled cheese sandwiches. One of my favorite things. 1 slice of cheese. I like the smoked Gouda. Follow your heart, it's my favorite cheese. So I do 1, 2 on each side. 1 on each side. So you can fill it as much as you want. I try to keep it a little bit thin so it holds together and it's easy to flip over. And by making 2 cans of the chickpea salad, I have plenty for lunch, a snack later. Very high in protein, really good. I just love having it around, so. Make the sandwich. So I like to make the grilled cheeses, probably better off with a knife than a spoon. I'm kind of an idiot sometimes. So spread it with a knife, really thin layer of the butter on the top here. Right, and then a little bit on the pan. I tend to save some of this melted if I can get it out of the pan. Put this right down. Dang, I make a mess every time. 1 tip, just cover it. It helps steam the sandwich a little bit, keeps the heat in, it just, for me, I enjoy doing it this way. It's really it helps expedite the process. So we're gonna shut this off. So there you have it, a grilled chickpea cheese, a grilled cheese and chickpea salad sandwich. It is delicious, you guys. Super plant powered, high in protein. Thank you very much. Enjoy this and keep a lookout for all the other videos we have coming up. Grilled chickpea salad sandwich with cheese. Grilled cheese and chickpea salad sandwich. It's one of those and it's amazing either way. That's our grilled cheese and chickpea salad sandwich on seeded rye bread, or seeded, I think it was seeded rye bread. Either way, it's delicious and amazing for any time of day. So I just lose my chain of thought all the time.